Majid, could you tell me about the KEP USB that Axeze is just releasing?
It's a new design with new capabilities. This customers, users can actually configure the whole system, like how the output format would be, or enabling the encryption, and as well as protecting the reader by setting a password. There are some other features, like for example setting reader ID or setting which transponder type reader will accept, read-only transponder or read and write transponders. And that's it.
That's it. So this product is superior to the previous product developed by Axeze, and you've spent a lot of time developing this product. The functionality, I understand, with the encryption is quite good, because there are 5 different types of encryption that you can utilise in this KEP reader.
Yeah.
Would you like to explain those encryptions to me, please?
Okay, there are 5. Yeah, there are 5 encryption standards. Actually, there are more, but 5 of them are very famous, and all are supported.
By what?
By the Axeze KEP Reader, the new one. And so the best solution to use the Axeze KEP Reader is by enabling the encryption and set the key, as well as setting the password. So it means the reader will only communicate with authorized software. Now, if for any reason somebody try to hijack the reader by resetting or trying to interfering into the protocol, they definitely will fail. There are some mechanisms in this new Axeze KEP Reader for detecting any attempts for guessing password or feeding some information in it, and it can cause the KEP Reader to be locked. So the only possible way to unlock the reader is to reset the whole reader. In this case, the reader would not be able to communicate with software, and for example, administrator or supervisor need to reprogram, reconfigure the reader to be able to communicate with the software.
One of the extra features I understand in this new Axeze KEP Reader is that each reader has its own unique serial ID.
Yes, actually this serial ID is unique for each reader and is hard-coded into the hardware. So it is easy to trace these readers. Another benefit of this serial number is if developer wants, they can retrieve this serial number and actually register their reader into their software. So if somebody try to change the reader to try to feed another code, it can be easily detected.
Very good. And with regards to the encryption, I understand some of them are actually, you're utilising some of those that have been approved by the FBI, or some great...
Yeah, that's the standard that they are already in use, and actually they are. These encryption algorithms are 128 bits encryption key, and it's common. It's
very secure.
Yes, it's very secure.
So several layers of security are built into these encryptions.
Yeah, actually, yes.
Yes. The final question is about the different types of output ports available.
Yeah, actually, this reader, when you use the USB connection, it will automatically install the relevant driver for USB generic device as well as USB HID keyboard, and USB CDC, which is the virtual COM port. But in some model there are real COM port available, so it is these KEP readers will ship with that driver, which should be installed manually or during the Axeze Credential Management. If your reader is already connected to the computer, the driver will be installed automatically. Another things about this KEP reader is about the firmware upgrade. So in any upgrade became available in the future, the end customer can easily upgrade the firmware, and this upgrade would be done through the USB or real COM port. For example, another model we have a 5-volt serial port and 12-volt serial port, so there is no USB, but still it is possible to upgrade it through the serial port.